Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you what to do in case your Instagram Reels gift option is not showing. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Instagram application. Now make sure that your Instagram is made to be a professional account, and once you do that, tap on the professional dashboard option that you see on your profile. Once you do that, you should be able to see a gift option under this section. If you do not see the gift option, it may be because you're not eligible to have the gifts option on your Instagram. So go ahead and check that by tapping on the three-barred menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Select settings and privacy, scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of account status. If you do not see account status, it may also be under the help section. Both of these lead to the same page. Make sure that all three of these options have the green tick mark. Now, if you do not have the green tick mark, it may be the reason why you're not able to see the gifts option on your Instagram feed. So if you have all the green marks and you're still not able to see the gifts option, go ahead and screenshot how you're not able to see the gifts option under your Instagram. Screenshot this window. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon and again to the three-barred menu that appears on the top right corner. Under that, settings and privacy, scroll down and go to the help section. This time you're going to tap on the report a problem option. Tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue. Now go ahead and explain your issue. But before that, you'll be able to see that an image has already been uploaded to this page. So this image has nothing to do with your issue. So go ahead and press on the cross mark that appears on top of this issue. Now go ahead and tap on the upload section. This will redirect you to the gallery of your phone. Select the screenshot that you've just taken and go ahead and describe how you're not able to see the gift option on your Instagram feed. Go ahead and explain it. As you can see, once you've typed out a message as such explaining how you're not getting the gifts option to show up on your professional dashboard, go ahead and tap on the send option that appears on the top right corner of your screen. This report should be sent to Instagram and it will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.